The next question is, a person is saying, I have sinned a lot and I have lost all Iman I had. Do you have any advice on how I can become a better human being?
Yes. Right now, man. Right now. Turn to Allah and say, oh Allah, forgive me. That simple. That simple. What separated Islam from any other religion? There's no middleman in Islam. You don't need to sit in a box or put some money in a box or sit in front of a human being and confess to this and no. Between you and Allah right now. Right now, between you and Allah. Say, oh Allah, forgive me. Know that Allah will forgive you. This is the beauty of Islam. No matter who you are, no matter where you are, no matter what condition you're in, no matter how much sin you've committed, no, Allah Azza wa Jal forgives all sins.